So I've been telling you guys about so many different credit cards, and I have so many different approvals for credit cards here to show you all. And I have so many different credit cards that I think are the best credit cards of the year. So if you're looking for a credit card that you can keep around for a long time, you can grow with it for years. If you're looking for credit cards because you're just a beginner, you want 0% APR, you want balance transfer credit cards. If you want all these different credit cards, I'm going to talk about them now. So definitely stick around. And if you ever have any questions, drop them in the comments. Or if you ever confused about a credit card, definitely drop it in the comments. Now, my name is Rickita. I always tell you guys about real estate, about credit cards, talking to you guys about credit all the time. So I like to make these videos just like this so it can be like a recap of all of the other videos and the credit cards I tell you guys about. Now, with this credit card, I had to keep notes. I have so many different notes on these credit cards because there's so many of them. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's over 20 different credit cards I'm going to talk to you guys about. It's a lot of them. So definitely check out my blog because I have a blog for each of these credit cards, and then I have one blog that lists all of the credit cards, which is the best credit cards of the year. So definitely check out that blog. If you ever have any questions, like I said, drop them down in the comments. But it's so many credit cards, I definitely want to get right on into the video. Now, like I said, it's so many different credit cards out there. There's credit cards if you're looking for cash back credit cards. Maybe you want to just rack up cash back. You're like me. It's bills I'm paying anyway. Let me get something out of it. Let me get some cash back for them. So I usually put my purchases on those credit cards, earn cash back, and I can use and do whatever I want to do with the cash back. I can use it to pay my bill or whatever I want to do with it. Travel, if I want to travel, I can save it up. But it's credit cards out there for cash back. Then you got those people that have bad credit and they want to get a credit card for bad credit. We're going to talk about those credit cards. If you're a beginner, you didn't mess up your credit, you're just beginning, you need to just figure out which credit cards to get. I have a few of them in here for you, which don't require you to have any credit history at all, which is great credit cards too, because they no credit history and they offer cash back. So I got you on that. We also have 0% intro APR credit card. So if you guys are looking to maybe make a big purchase, you want to put on a credit card and get 0% APR, I got those credit cards for you. Also 0% APR, but you want to do a balance transfer, so you may have to pay a 3% fee, but 0% APR, I have those cards here for you also. And if you're looking to pre-qualify without a hard inquiry, we have those. No credit check. Like I said, if you want to get a credit card, maybe you messed up before, and you need to start just building your credit, or you're a beginner and you want to start building your credit, I have that no credit check account and card here for you. And then, like I said, no credit history required. Now, like so many of you always put in the comments, you want to try to find some more credit cards because you're having a hard time. Like I said, check out my blog. It's definitely going to be there, and we're going to go through these now, but I'm kind of going to go fast. So make sure that you guys see in each individual video, and I'll have those down in the comments in the description. So the first credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Discover It Cashback card. Now, I really like that. Y'all hear me talk about this all the time. They have cash back there, 5% cash back in different categories quarterly. So right now, the cash back for right now is restaurants. I am doing a lot of out to eat. Me and Babe, we're going on dates. So it's perfect for the restaurants. And you guys are also going to get that 0% intro APR. So I really like that. Check that out definitely in the comments and in the description. We also have the Amazon Prime Rewards credit card. I use so much money on Prime. You guys, I buy so much stuff in Prime. So I definitely always tell people, if you spend a lot of money on Prime, definitely you need to get a credit card with them because you automatically get 5. You're actually going to get a discount. You're going to have the 5% back. So I really like that. I am tripping over my words today, but you guys are going to get that 5% back. And then they have the 0% APR. Capital One Venture Rewards credit card is great for travel, but you guys are going to get cash back and you're going to get that 0% APR. So look into that credit card if you're looking for cash back and 0% APR. And then you guys, it's certain credit cards out there that won't charge a foreign transaction fee, and Discover and Capital One is one of them. They're not going to charge you any foreign transaction fee. Imagine being outside of the country, you guys, you're trying to spend your credit card, and then they're going to charge you a fee to use your credit card. That's not good. I don't want you guys to pay any fee to use your credit card. And I don't want you guys to use your debit card outside the country, because what if something happens and they drain your bank account and you're out of the country? I would hate for that to happen. I'd rather you use your credit card. But you guys should also have something set up so you guys get an alert if any fraudulent things are happening to your accounts, like your bank accounts. Maybe your password has been compromised. You want to have some type of notification, or say if your information is on a dark web, you want to have some type of notification about these different things. That's why I'm so happy that Aura is actually partnering with me on this video, because they're going to let you know if there's anything fraudulent happening to your account. They'll send you alerts, they'll contact you and let you know about it. You guys can get a VPN so you guys can search the web. Also, maybe you're trying to get your outfit together to go out the country or to go do anything, you guys can search the web with your VPN so they don't know who you are. You basically anonymous on the web. You guys can lock and unlock your Experian credit report right through their system. I really like that. I showed you guys that before on one of my previous videos, and they can also add protection for you and your family. So I really like that. And you also can get your credit report and your credit score, so they'll let you know where you at in terms of your credit too, like what's your score, what's on your credit reports. They'll let you know all those different things, but you guys have to have some type of protection set up. So I'm so happy that Aura is actually available for you all. So definitely look in the description, look in the comments, and sign up. And guess what, you guys, they offering a free 14-day trial. Yes, a free 14-day trial. So you guys can sign up without the worry of, oh my gosh, I gotta waste my money, I don't even know if this is good. Sign up and see what they have to offer, and I say get in where y'all fit in, see what's actually there, and definitely make sure you keep that membership and start protecting you and your family. And thank you so much, Aura, again, for sponsoring this video. Now that's just my little spill about the foreign transaction fees. You're not going to get charged any fees for foreign transaction fees at all for some of the credit cards, which is good. So use this credit card outside the country and let Aura have your back so that you don't have to worry about different things that's happening to your credit or your accounts. Let them notify you of what's going on, especially for those people that's not looking like you should. I look all the time at my credit, and I know some people that don't look at all. They don't even look at their bank statements like they should. They're not going through it. Aura is going to have your back on that, so definitely check that out. So I really like the Capital One and Discover for that. Now Discover actually have another credit card, which is the Discover It's Student Cashback card. So this one is a cashback card for students. You guys are going to get cashback and 0% APR. So I really love that. And another credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Petal Visa credit card. Now with the Petal Visa credit card, they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So if you just like to be pre-qualified for a credit card, then definitely check them out. Discover can also pre-qualify you, and Capital One can also pre-qualify you. So while I'm going through these different credit cards, try to see, see where you fit in and get one of those credit cards. And don't forget, they're all on my blog. So I know I'm going kind of fast. You can look on the blog and see the different credit cards there, and you can apply there also. We also have some of the credit cards for those people that don't have the best of credit. You have like bad credit, or maybe you're just a beginner. Look into getting a Kikoff account. Now, I really love Kikoff because some people seen their credit score go up a lot. One person I was tracking, their credit score went up 74 points from having that Kikoff account. So if you don't have a credit score at all, you need to start building your credit. Definitely look into Kikoff. And also, if you already started building your credit some, you just need extra boost, then look into the Kikoff. It don't matter. They don't check your credit in terms of you're going to get they're not going to be able to approve you. You guys are going to be able to get that credit card. And they have a credit account that they can report to your credit report, and they have a loan. You guys should be able to get both of them, but they're in select states, but definitely check them out. You also have an account called the Self Visa, a secured credit card. So if you have bad credit, look into that, because they're not going to check your credit at all. And they're going to give you a 2-for-1 account, kind of like that Kikoff account. So definitely check that out. I have the links in the comments and the description, so definitely check it out. Again, if you guys are building your credit, you don't want them to check. Look into getting a credit builder card, because a credit builder card can actually get you approved for 2 credit cards, and it's not going to be a credit check, and they usually report to the credit bureaus within 2 weeks. So before you get a credit card, a lot of times it's going to be on your credit reports. And I've seen somebody credit scores go up over 80 points. So definitely check that out with the credit builder card. Now we have other credit cards out there, but it's kind of taking too long. So let me list these out We have the Bank of America card. They have the 0% intro APR. The Chase Freedom Unlimited. They have cashback and 0% intro APR. The Chase Freedom Flex also has cashback and 0% APR. We have the Capital One Saver Cash Rewards credit card. They have the cashback and 0% APR. And don't forget, that's one that's good to use out the country because no foreign transaction fees. And a lot of these have sign up bonuses. So check and see what they have for a sign up bonus. The ones where I say 0% APR and cashback, a lot of times they have a sign up bonus. Just see what that bonus will be for you all. We also have the City Double Cash Card, which also offers cashback and 0% APR. The City Custom Cash Card, 0% APR and cashback. And we have the US Bank Altitude Go Visa Signature credit card, 0% APR for that one. They don't offer any cashback, but they have the 0% intro APR, and usually they have a longer period for that 0% APR. And then we also have the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express, which offers a cashback and 0% APR. I know it's a lot of credit cards, right? But definitely check out the website. Definitely check out Aura and get signed up. Let me know if you all get approved, and let me know if you guys are liking Aura too. I know I talk to you guys all the time. Put your experience down in the comments. If you guys signed up for Aura, what is it about? How was the trial? Let me know how that's going. Don't forget, it's a 14-day free trial, so definitely sign up. So definitely click my link. I have the aura.com/Rickita. Definitely click my link. It's in the description and in the comments. And again, thank you so much, Aura, for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.